morning sun on Drekeniwai's green. The river softly whispers a tranquil, peaceful scene. My mother's gentle humming from the kitchen, soft and low. Simple village living where the good times used to flow. Fresh fish from the ocean, laughter in the air. Didn't know back then that life could be a snare. Oh, Drekeniwai, how I miss your gentle call. Now I'm stuck in Suva City, standing tall but feeling small. Another day in traffic, chasing dreams that feel so far. Just a city dweller beneath a distant star. I used to climb the coconut trees, feel the breeze upon my face. Every path a story, and every memory a trace. But ambition called me outward, a better life they said. A steady job in Suva put a roof above my head. Found a love here, yes I did, a blessing pure and true. Got a child that fills my days, a brand new world to view. Oh, Drekeniwai, how I miss your gentle call. Now I'm stuck in Suva City, standing tall but feeling small. Another day in traffic, chasing dreams that feel so far. Just a city dweller beneath a distant star. Sometimes I close my eyes and I'm back by the lagoon, the scent of frangipani underneath the tropic moon. My heart aches for that freedom, the barefoot carefree stride. This concrete jungle's rhythm, nowhere left to hide. Oh, Drekeniwai, how I miss your gentle call. Now I'm stuck in Suva City, standing tall but feeling small. Another day in traffic, chasing dreams that feel so far. Just a city dweller beneath a distant star. Maybe one day, little one, will see the village light, teach you lessons from the land, make everything feel right. Till then I'll dream a home beneath this city sky. Drekeniwai, my old friend, never say goodbye.